It was definitely an emotional challenge listing the house. My mom passed away. My dad's in his 90s, so this is the end of a chapter. Roy was consistently there, ready to answer questions, ready to offer services, ready to offer recommendations, with an eye towards what would be best for my family, and he knew the local market.
I'm Roy Osorio, bringing you our pre-sale renovation strategy. Selling a home can seem like a huge obstacle. It's even harder when the home needs repair and renovation. Most homes that aren't up to date go to market leaving money on the table and risk sitting on the market longer. With our value-add service, we optimize your property with the goal to net you more money. We add value by making strategic improvements to your property and take the best version of your house to market.
We hit a home run. The home improvement was fantastic. The remodel worked great. So the home went from a tired old grandma home to this beautiful, elegant, light, bright home that you walk in and you go, yep, I want to live here. We consider original value to be somewhere in the neighborhood of 1.6 to 1.7. We listed the home for $2 million and we sold it for 2.3. We had multiple offers. That's a profit of somewhere in the neighborhood of $475,000.
When you work with me, you get the complete service: consultation, optimization, marketing, sale. With a track record of under 45 days to close and ROIs up to 360%, my mission is to see you succeed and profit in any market.
He's offering a service that most realtors don't offer, which is he'll look at your home and assess the value as is, but then reassess it with the possibility of, what if you did this? What if you changed the stairwell? What if you changed the flooring? What if you painted the outside? What if you replaced the deck and had a glass wall there instead of the wood railing that blocks your view? Those kinds of things really add value to the home. And what made it easy was he had people that could help me get that done.
As your real estate consultant, I'm going to help you explore every angle to maximize your home's value. Look, we're going to make your property stand out in this competitive market by showcasing its best features. Our unique approach makes your property highly appealing and sells it faster.
There are very few agents that can add that kind of value, that create that kind of team, that have that kind of approach. Most agents sell a house. Roy's selling a dream, he's selling a lifestyle, and what's great is he has the team to back that up and make it happen. To leave the home better than it was before, I think my mom would have been really proud.
Don't let the cost of renovation keep you from maximum profit. Let the Osorio Group handle the refresh with no cost to you. Get started today.